pagkatapos nga namin mag-ride sa Small World ay pumasok naman kami sa Wondrous Book para manood ng stage show ni Mickey Mouse. Ang ganda pa rin talaga ng pinsan ko, walang kupas simula pagkabata.
The simple bare necessities will get
racing and dancing and chasing and leaping and bounding. You're climbing or mounting, splashing and reeling and
At syempre hindi rin namin pinalampas ang Jungle River Cruise Adventure.
I remember this campsite should belong to the International Scientist. Me, is that a boy or a girl?
Gay. A boy. A gay.
I don't know, but I can tell you the way to define they're a boy or a girl. So male zebra is white with black stripes, and a female zebra is white with black stripes. So next time when you see other zebra, you can tell your friend that, oh, I know how to define it. Okay. Okay, now we are entering to a pool with dangerous people. Please accept.
Syempre sa gala, hindi nawawala ang food trip. Kaso nga lang ang mahal talaga ng mga bilihin at pagkain dito sa loob ng Disneyland. Pero okay lang yan, kaysa naman sa magutom. Di ka rin mag-enjoy kapag gutom ka, di ba?
Muna na magkuha tubig diri sa Disneyland, plus lukon para gawasan. Ayan.
Crazy how we got this chemistry. Crashing like a wave of energy. Have you heard? It's a fact. It's a fact.
At hindi rin maiiwasan ng panahon na kahit magandang sikat ng araw ay bigla na lang uulan. Pero kahit umuulan, ayan, ulan ka lang, magra-rides kami. Yun nga lang, cancel ang ibang show katulad ng parade ng mga Disney dahil nga umuulan. Thanks for watching! Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.